Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic Gigi. Today we're going to be doing a fire-themed Dutch pour. So my ratios are 2 ounces of Floetrol, 1 ounce paint, and a 1/2 ounce water. And those are my colors, and my base is Carbon Black by Golden. This is the base color I'm laying down on the canvas. And then my other colors are the red, yellow, and orange, and white, titanium white. So I will let you watch as I lay the base down, and then we'll get to blowing that out, and then we'll lay our colors down. So I'll let you watch. Also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It is free for you, and it helps me out tremendously. Also, if you are a returned subscriber, thank you so much for your love and support. I love the comments. Keep them coming. I love all of your guys' love and support. It's been phenomenal, and I'm very happy to be here to do these videos for you guys, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comments, okay? I am here to help. gosh, you guys, check it out. I love it. Also, my inspiration for this is Molly's Artistry. She does these quite a bit, and she's amazing at it. And I love, love, love the color combo. It just, the colors pop. And check out those cells. The cells are different than what I'm used to. They're like everywhere. They're different though. Well, I am so glad you guys joined me today. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button and share it if you want. Also, check out my description box below. I have coupons, links to the hairdryer I use, to coupons for different sites. Just check out the link below and you will find a bunch of goodies. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can email me or you can leave them in the comments. And I am more than happy to help, so let me know what I can do for you. And if you are hesitating trying this technique or trying a different design, just push yourself to go out of your comfort zone. You will be amazed at what you can accomplish and what you can make. You're going to be like, whoa, I made that. It's going to totally just throw you off guard. Just do it. Don't be scared. Just jump in and go. Worst case scenario, you scrape it. It's just paint. So give it a try. And I would love, love, love to see your results. You should email me them. My email is in the description below. And yeah, let me know how it goes. If you need help, I'm here to help. So just let me know. All right, guys, I thank you so very much. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye.